Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to expand this one. Next, about 5x, we can put into number 2 multiplied by 5 over number 2 with the square root of number 12 multiplied by the square root of number 12s. So this one we need to add about 25 over 48. Later that we need to minus about 25 over 48. So this one that is about identities. So that should be like this. So this one that is about 121 over 48. And now we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put this one equals to 11 with the square root of number 3 over number 12, and I will choose about secant of t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 121 over 48 secant of t square. So 121 over 48 we can do about factorization in here. Secant of t square minus 1 we change for tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. Next, because we have s, so I will put this one go to the right, and then we divide both sides by this one, and that should be like this. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So this one you got number 0 because this is about the constant. This one we have number 1. This one that is about secant of t tan t dt, because we don't have the square root of number 12 in here, so we need to divide both sides by this one, and we have 11 over 24. So we go back in here. So this one that is about this one, s that is about this one, ds that is about this one. So this one we have 121 over 48 secant of t square. So we can do about factorization. So this one, that is about tan t square. And now we put this one outside the square root. So we have 11 with the square root of number 3 over number 12. And now this one divide by this one, so we have like this. So this one divide by this one, so we have the square root of number 3 over number 6. So we can simplify like this. And now the square root of number 12 go outside, and we have 1 over 12. So secant of t multiplied by this one and this one. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have tan t. So the integration of secant of t, we have Ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by this number in here. And now we can find the value of t. That is about our secant of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.